Okay, today I'm going to show you two thin necks sabers that I've just done. Okay, and one of them is inspired by the light side. Okay, and another one is inspired by the dark side. Okay, we're going to go through one by one now. I haven't had this thin neck in my catalog for a long time. Okay, and I haven't wanted to do one thin neck. Why? Because most of my sabers are one piece. Like this one basically is one piece from the emitter, the top here, all the way down to the palmer. Actually, basically here is just one piece. Because of the one piece, it gives it exceptional strength. So basically, there's no joints, there's no threading, no whatever to contend with. So this is as solid as you can get. Plus, because it's so thick, okay, the material is so thick. Therefore, this is really a very solid kind of a saber. So for a long time, I've only wanted to do one piece bodies because they are really strong, and obviously this is not possible with to do a thin neck. So but lately I've been wanting to do a thin neck. Okay, and so obviously one piece body is not going to give us a thin neck. So this thin neck actually has got multi-piece of parts to form the thin neck. This emitter alone here consists of 5 pieces put together in order to form the thin neck. Okay, and this is our regular body. Okay, so you can see this one is way thinner. So the inner diameter of this thin neck here is actually half the inner diameter of the body. So this one is smaller than normal choke. Okay, so the first one, this thin neck, this is obviously inspired by the Luke version, the Luke Return of the Jedi model. Okay, after he lost the ground flags, and he built another one which is looks something like this. This is the inspired version. It's not a replica or even a very close one that looks like, but it's inspired by this. Okay, and as you know, I don't like control boxes and everything because it gets in the way. So therefore here there is no bulging control box that comes out. Okay, there's a thin neck. That is the trademark of the characteristic of the Luke. Okay, plus the flare emitter. Okay, some comes with the extension of the emitter here, because the depth here is very short, because you see there's only so much space here. In fact, the LED takes up here, the blade can only go in so little. So therefore the blade depth is very little. So therefore sometimes people extend it a little bit. For this model, I've decided to go with without the extension, call it. So this multi-piece body will not be as strong as the one-piece body, obviously. So this one is actually not really meant for dueling. Nowhere even near medium hard dueling or heavy dueling. Maybe very light dueling, or maybe just more for cosplay. Okay, so this Luke here is very clean model. First thing you notice is that there is no switch. There is one something that looks like a LED with a bezel here, and there's a D-ring at the back, but that's about it. Okay, it's a very clean model. So where do you turn on how do you turn on the saber? So actually I have incorporated the switch into the bottom of this LED. Okay, so that actually serves as a switch. Okay, so here goes. Okay, this one is in green with my installed with my premium sound card, so it's very loud. premium sound card has got 3 fonts. And what I've done is that I've incorporated sort of like a crystal chamber behind. Can you see? And then the crystal chamber change color. Okay, it can blink as well as change color as well. So it will go into different color in the pulsing mode as well as blinking mode as well. It will slowly change as well as blink. Okay, let's put on the blink for you so you can see the color better. Okay. It also has got the blade lockup. Blaster block. And then you can also change font of it. 3. It also has got the mute mode as well. So this one is mute mode. Okay. No sound, just lights. Also it has got the flashing thing without the sound as well. Okay. 1. Okay, so that is the lute. Okay, let me remove the second model I want to show you. This is the what we call the dark side. The dark side, the thin neck. So this is also a thin neck. Okay, and it's primarily black in color, with the exception of some gold highlights here and here. And at the back here, the palmer here got some highlights as well. Okay. So this one also do not have a obvious switch. There's a LED bezel here with the LED light. So that serves as a switch. This one is also a multi-piece body, so also not meant for heavy dueling or medium dueling, maybe very light dueling or more for cosplay. Okay, this one is more Sith-like because of the dark color scheme. Okay, also there's a gold thumb screw here to hold the blade as well. Okay, so this one has got the windows in the body. Normally the windows in the body is placed after the LED. So the LED is here. Normally people will put the windows here, but here the windows are here. Why? Because there's another set of LED inside the body to shine inside the body. Change one. 3. These two are both are very loud sabers. Of course, the Sith will have a red blade. So this is a red blade. On camera it may look a bit more yellowish because it's very bright, but in real life it looks red. Okay. The red will be similar to the red inside here. And this one is because it's black and gold. I'm going to call this black gold. Okay, so this is another tin neck. Most probably I'm going to put these two on my catalog as well, because I don't have tin necks on my catalog, so I'm going to put this on the catalog. And for these two models, what I've done is that I've placed the LED at this part here, so the blade depth is actually quite shallow. Okay, therefore number one, it's not suitable for dueling. And by putting the LED here, the blade becomes very bright. Some of the tin necks, what those company do is they put the LED underneath the tin neck. Okay, if you put underneath the tin neck, the surface area for the light to shine through is very little. For example, if like this one, the internal diameter is only half an inch, whereas the internal diameter of the body is 1 inch, so this is only about half. Okay, if it's about half, the formula for area is the square of the radius. So the radius is half, so the area is going to be 1/4 the area of a full 1 inch hilt. So the light that is going through that smaller area will be much dimmer. But by moving the LED up here, so the light will be full, just like without the tin neck. Okay, thank you.